Make a great choice today with the 2023 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, front-wheel drive. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.